The Cordless Leaf Blower 20 volts offers impressive power with its advanced motor, delivering air volumes up to 650 cubic feet per minute and wind speeds reaching 280 miles per hour. With 3 adjustable speed settings and 2 detachable tube lengths, this blower can be tailored to suit a variety of cleaning tasks, from large areas to precise spots. Equipped with 2 4-ampere-hour batteries, it ensures up to 60 minutes of operation at the lowest speed, minimizing downtime with a fast charge time of just 2 hours. Its cordless design and comfortable sliding rubber handle make it exceptionally easy to use, allowing you to carry it anywhere without being tethered by cords. This versatile tool is perfect for tackling various outdoor cleaning tasks, effectively blowing away dry or wet leaves, small gravel, and dust, thus enhancing cleaning efficiency. The product comes with the reassurance of a 1-year warranty, backed by the manufacturer PILENTO, ensuring customer satisfaction and support.